Hello everyone, welcome to Fundamentals. Today we are going to study reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun. We are going to study reflexive pronoun. Now, what reflexive means? Reflect. Reflect means mirror image. What we see in mirror, we get reflected image. So, reflexive pronouns kind of works the same. It reflects the same noun that was earlier used for. It means whenever there is a reflexive pronoun in the sentence, there is always one more pronoun for the same noun. One noun and it is represented by two pronouns. The second one is usually your reflexive pronoun. It reflects the same noun that was earlier used by the pronoun, the different pronoun. Now let's go through example. I can do it myself. Now in this sentence there are two pronouns. I represent the person, speaker, and this myself also represent the same person. It represents the same person that was represented by I. This one here is our subject pronoun, and this one here is reflexive pronoun because it reflects the same noun. It is used for the speaker. Again, same speaker represented by this pronoun, and reflexive pronouns ends with self. Self for singular pronoun and selves for plural pronoun. So I becomes myself. He cut himself. He represented a boy, masculine noun. It represented a person, and that person is male, masculine gender. Again, the same person, same noun represented by himself. So it is reflecting again same noun, and it always comes after the first pronoun. It never start with myself or himself. That is incorrect. Never start sentence with reflexive pronoun because to reflect something we need first something to reflect. He needs to reflect. It becomes himself. In our real example, I became myself. So these two, himself and myself, are reflexive pronoun because they are reflecting the previous pronoun that is used for the same noun. It is also represented for same noun that is I is representing, or in this case it is represented the same noun that is he representing. Again with one more example, she helped herself. Observe, these are always ends with self. Self. Reflexive pronouns ends with self, and for plural self. They make themselves a meal or whatever they made. So they is representing a group of people, and same group of people again represented by themselves. This comes after the first pronoun, and this is also reflecting this one, they. Are you paying attention here? For plural reflexive pronoun that ends with selves. So plural form of reflexive pronoun, and singular pronoun ends with self. So I become myself. I become myself. She became herself. He became himself. Himself. We become ourselves. Ourselves. Because it's the plural, then they. They become themselves. Hmm. Then one, two, three, four, five. It. It becomes itself. Singular reflexive pronoun ends with self, and plural ends with selves. I, we, they, each, he, she, it. Finish, right? Which one is missing? You. You become yourself. Yourself. Let's go. For example, the common phrase that we use is help yourself. This is here reflexive pronoun. It reflects the person that we are suggesting something or requesting something. So reflexive pronouns that reflect previous pronoun in the sentence. Never start a sentence with reflexive pronoun. But you are going to remember, never start a sentence with reflexive pronoun. It reflects the previous pronoun and which is representing the same noun. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. Follow for more.